Welcome to OneOnOneTrading.com. My name is Troy Epperson, and in this video we're going to cover the chart of the week. And I hope at the very end you'll come over to our website, OneOnOneTrading.com, and check out the services that we provide. The chart of the week this week for May 10th is the ES. This is the June contract, and this is a several days worth of charting here. It's on a 15-minute chart. We have Sunday the 3rd. This is Friday's close right up here. And then the Sunday night open and a big, huge gap down. Then followed by a rally into the close on Monday, followed by a sell-off on Tuesday. A pretty ugly sell-off on Tuesday, actually. And what's interesting about this is that this is a news-driven, completely news-driven. So what exactly happened? Well, whenever a news event happens, there's always a lot of emotion that comes in, and we can see that in this giant gap down from the Friday close to the Sunday open, and then the continued selling overnight and into the open of Monday morning. Now, this was due to a Trump tweet about raising tariffs from 10 to 25% for China. Now, at first, we don't know whether it's truth or it's bluster, and that's the main question here. So the tweet came across, and everybody reacted to it. So at first, there is just emotion, which is sell and ask questions later. Okay, so that's why we get the big gap down and the movement down on the open. But then after that initial emotion moves or quells a little bit, then we actually do have to ask questions. And when the questions began, it seemed like Trump was just blowing smoke and bluster, and so there was a large rally into the Monday close. However, the real story unfolded as Friday night China sent a trade agreement document to Washington that revealed heavily redacted verbiage of the retracement of previously agreed to language. What does that basically mean? It means that China backtracked on most of the major trade points. So this comes out after the market closes on Monday, and we figure out that, Trump actually had a good reason to invoke the additional tariffs, and that it wasn't bluster, and that the possibility of a trade war is real. Thus, we got a big gap down, more selling into Tuesday. So this is sort of a case of buy the rumor and sell the news. So once the rumor came out, you buy the rumor, and when the real news comes out, you sell it. Old adage comes back to make some sense, actually. Now, there's always going to be opportunity in an emotional reaction, but once the true story comes out, there's also an opportunity to rebalance or to make a new trade. Thus, we can buy the emotion at the bottom here, and then when the real news comes out, we can make a decision that we probably need to sell this thing because the China trade war is certainly a plausible outcome. Learn to trade. OneOnOneTrading.com. Thanks for watching. Come check us out at our website, OneOnOneTrading.com.